Hello friends, and I welcome you to in my official YouTube channel Infamous Celebrities Net Worth and Lifestyle. Our today's topic is about JD Vance Net Worth 2024. So first of all, you should know who is JD Vance. So James David Vance is an American author, venture capitalist, politician, lawyer and United States Marine veteran serving as the junior United States Senator from Ohio since 2023. A member of the Republican Party, he is the party's nominee for Vice President in the 2024 election. He is the first millennial vice presidential candidate from a major party and the first to have served in the Marine Corps. J.D. Vance is 39 years old, and now talk about his biography. So James Donald Bowman was born on August 2nd, 1984 in Middletown, Ohio, to Donald Bowman and Beverly. He is of Scottish-Irish descent. His parents divorced when he was a toddler. Shortly afterward, Bowman was adopted by his mother's third husband, Bob Hamel, and had his name changed to David Hamel. Hamel graduated summa cum laude from the Ohio State University in 2009 with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Political Science and Philosophy. After graduating from Ohio State, Hamel attended Yale Law School. Upon his marriage in 2014, Hamel adopted his grandparents' surname of Vance. And now talk about J.D. Vance's career. So after law school, Vance worked for Senator John Cornyn and then spent a year as a law clerk for Judge David Bunning of the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Kentucky. He then entered private practice at the law firm Sidley Austin in 2016. Vance moved to San Francisco to work in the tech industry as a venture capitalist. He served as a principal at Peter Thiel's firm Mithril Capital between 2016 and 2017. In 2016, Harper published Vance's book Hillbilly Elegy, a memoir of a family and cultures in crisis. It was on the New York Times bestseller list in 2016 and 17. Vance defeated Democratic nominee Tim Ryan in 2022 United States Senate election in Ohio, initially opposed to Trump's candidacy in the 2016 election. Vance has since become a strong supporter of Donald Trump. On July 15, 2024. Trump officially nominated Vance as his running mate at the Republican National Convention. And now talk about J.D. Vance's personal life. So in 2014, Vance married Usha Chilukuri in Kentucky in an interfaith marriage ceremony. She is a devout Hindu and he is Christian. They have 3 children together. During the mid-2010s, Vance and his wife lived in San Francisco. And now finally talk about J.D. Vance's net worth 2024. So according to the online sources, J.D. Vance's net worth is estimated to be $5 million. So my dear friends, it's all about today's video and I hope you enjoyed the video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.